Hello and welcome to the Sigen Energy Gateway C and I60 kilowatt installation guide video. This series will demonstrate how to mount, wire, and commission the product. Unpack the gateway and check the items in the package are complete. Remember to check for any damage. It's important to select a suitable installation site in accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide. Sigen Energy Gateway should be kept at a distance from other equipment. Sigen Energy Gateway should be installed vertically. Prepare the following installation tools before installation and required cables in advance. Take out the back hanging accessory and mark the installation position with a marker pen. Drill a hole with an electric drill. The diameter of the hole should be 10 millimeters and the depth should be 55 millimeters. Drive expansion screws into the wall. Remove the screw rod of the expansion screw. Hang the bracket on the wall and fix it with a screw rod. Fix the back hanging accessory to the wall with expansion screws. Hang the gateway on the back hanging accessory. Tighten the screws at the bottom to secure the gateway. The gateway has been successfully fixed to the wall. Next, let's start the wiring procedure. Note, make sure all equipment is disconnected from the power source before wiring. Insert the key, turn it in the lock cylinder, and pull the handle backward to open the gateway. Unscrew the 4 screws and take out the inner panel. Prepare the PE cable. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and crimp tube terminals. Feed the PE wire into the communication port and connect the PE wire to the PE point. Prepare the AC cable for grid, inverter, backup, smart loads, generator connection. For L1, L2, L3, and N line, remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Crimp tube terminals. For PE line, remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Crimp OT terminals and install heat shrink tubing. Unscrew the corresponding ports to facilitate wire entry. Connecting power grid side AC cable. Secure the wire to corresponding terminals. Tighten terminals to secure cables. Similarly, connect the AC cables on the backup and smart load, generator side to the corresponding breakers. For RJ45 cable, strip an appropriate length of the outer jacket and insulation layers from the wires. Connect the cable to RJ45 connectors. Crimp the RJ45 connector using an RJ45 crimping tool. Preparing the DI-DO cable. Strip an appropriate length of the outer jacket and insulation layers from the wires. Crimp tube terminals. Take out the plug in the communication port. Insert the connectors into RJ45 network ports. Insert the connectors into DI-DO ports. Now, you have completed all the wiring steps. Then installing the inner panel of the gateway. Please turn on the switch of the gateway and power on strictly in accordance with the instructions in the user manual. Congratulations! The gateway has been successfully installed. Now you can see in the My Sigen app that the gateway has been automatically connected to the system.